In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero. Whether you're looking to back up your essentials or need to analyze your financials more closely, this guide will help you through every step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Xero. Head over to your browser and log into your Xero account. This is the start point for accessing all of the relevant tools and options that Xero provides. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard where you will find a small grid icon, often referred to as the 9 dots. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu, and from this menu, you'll need to select Open Xero App Store. This feature is key because it connects you to a wide range of applications that can enhance your Xero experience, including the one we'll be using today. When you're at the Xero App Store, in the search bar, type SaaSant, which is the application we'll use to manage our data export. It's known for its robust capabilities in handling complex data operations with ease. Once you see it listed in the search results, click on SaaSant Transactions. Next, you'll need to install the app, so click on the Get This App button. During this process, you might be prompted to log in and provide necessary permissions. This installation is a one-time setup and sets up the app for seamless integration with your Xero account. With the app ready, you'll find an option that says Select an Organization. Click on it, and you will see a list of accounts associated with your Xero profile. Choose the account that you want to export data from. It's crucial to pick the correct one to avoid any confusion later. After selecting your account, navigate to SaaSant Transactions. Once you're there, you should see an option to export. Click on the Export button. This is where you begin the actual data export part of the process. Here, the tool will prompt you to choose the account you're exporting data from once more. Make sure again that it is the correct one. You'll see options to choose which data sets or types of data you want to export. Opt for the ones that are relevant to your needs. Typically, this involves transactions and contacts. Once you have selected your options, click on Search. After the search is complete, a download button will appear. Click Download to get your data onto your local storage, and there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Xero using SaaSant Transactions. Remember, if you ever need to revisit the data, it's always good practice to keep everything organized and backed up. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your business tools.